often we use effect, and that all we need to do to understand Audacity. There are lots of filters. We can add EQs, remove a noise, and give a quality audio in Audacity. So in this video, we will record a very small pitch of my voice, and we will add some filters to remove noise, EQ, and change the tempo, and also we will normalize our audio. So let me just, this is the button that we record. So this is the very small tip that I want to give you. While recording audio, you have to keep quiet 5 to 10 seconds so that we can capture a noise. Let me show you how. So you have to keep quiet. Then speak whatever your speech in a voice you can record. So this, let me stop. So this is the very small bite that I have recorded, and this part is empty that we are capturing a noise. And in the video you will understand how is this important. Alright, so let's listen what I have speak in the audio. Then speak whatever your speech in a voice you can record. Alright, so you have a listen. So first step, you have to remove this blank gaps like that. Select and press the delete button. Alright, the level up volume is much less as we expect. So to fix that, we have to apply very simple effect. That is, go to effect and go to volume and compression. Then choose normalize and apply. Now let's listen. Then speak whatever your alright. So in a blank space there are lots of noise. Alright, you can let me play and you can see. So there are lots of noise that we need to fix. We need to remove. Oh, that's very important because our vocals may be very clear and crystal that people's like. So you have to select a empty area and then go to effect and noise removal and repair. Then go to noise reduction. Then get a noise profile. Alright. So we have captured the noise in the empty area. And we know that the same noise will be in our audio as well. Alright, so we have captured this area, and also this byte or a recorded audio also have a noise as well. So we have a capture. So let's select all the clips, then go to effect, then again go to noise removal and repair, then again noise reduction. So let's understand the noise reduction. My setting is 10 dB, sensitivity is 6. And frequency always to set a 0 or 1 or 2. It's a less number will give you a more quality audio. So you can remove the noise from the audio a better way to set a less number like a 0, 1, 2, 3, not set a 10, 15 or something. Then also you can preview our audio. Then speak whatever your. Alright, so let's okay. So now our audio don't have any noise. You can see, or you can feel my audio don't have any noise. After adding a noise removal, let's delete this empty area as well, like that. Press the delete button. Alright, so now we need to add a treble and bass because our vocals are not good, that we don't like. So select the audio clip and go to effect, then EQ and filters. Then we need to also apply one small filter, that is bass and treble. So this is bass and treble. So bass we want a 4 dB and treble is a 10 dB. So we can preview. Then speak whatever your the volume is much louder, that I don't like that, and apply. Now let's apply the compressor. It will just remove reduce the volume. You can search on the Google about a compressor just another reduce the noise that will make your vocals better. So there are effect, go to volume and compression, then we have a compressor. So threshold, it will not goes above minus 10 dB, because here are 10 dB. And makeup gain, we don't want a makeup gain. Honey is 5 and ratio is 10 ratio of something. You can search about compressor on Google, that will make a sense. Sorry for my bad English. So let's apply. Now let's listen our audio and how is clear and crystal now. So let me just play. Then speak whatever your speech in a voice you can record. So guys, you have seen a magic of a bass and treble after normalizing and all the effects. And just remember that a few things, just 1 to 3 clicks and your audio are much better recorded by Audacity. So in this video we have understood a lot more thing with Audacity of effects to apply on your audio. So this is the very small tutorial. So if you like, please give a thumbs up and let me know what you think about this. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day.